Hi there, my name is Adam. Welcome to the Conspirative.party project. Well, I'm a targeted individual since late 90s, and in 1999 I went to the university to study philosophy, and I was especially interested in cognitive science there. And cognitive science is a branch of science which is especially focused on the way the human brain works, the human mind works, and it's about our perception. So actually I was very interested about the senses that are providing the brain with the information. So our brain is receiving impulses from our senses, auditory, visual and kinesthetic. So our brain is then processing this information, and this information processed is what comes from the outside actually. And the opposite thing is what is inside of us, which is in fact our consciousness. And our consciousness, somewhere deeply in our mind, is the power of judgment, I believe. It's something that is telling us what's true, what's not true, what's right, what's wrong, what's useful and what's useless for us. So the consciousness is the little whisper in our minds, a little whisper that we barely hear, and which is constituting our thinking actually. So you can make an experiment yourself, look deeply into yourself, try to hear this whisper and find out what is happening in there. So actually this information coming from our senses can be also interfered with psychotronic weapons. For example, the voices that almost every crazy person hears are induced artificially by psychotronic weapons and the operators of those psychotronic weapons who are sending the voices. How about seeing things? How about feeling things? It's also possible. But also this thin, little, barely hearable whisper, which is actual thinking, can be interfered with. So the thoughts can be inserted into this whisper, and according to it can change our behavior and change the way we think. So as a targeted individual, I need to be aware of this inner thinking all the time. And I see a lot of times that things are inserted or even deleted from the way I think. And it's very, very difficult to distinguish these thoughts coming from outside world, from psychotronic operators, from my own thoughts. So yeah, I need to be aware all the time to know when I'm manipulated and to avoid this. So please support me on my Patreon channel where I'm publishing a book about the tortures I was experiencing when I was still thinking I'm mentally ill, but now I know it's mind control program. So go to my Patreon channel called Conspirative Party and please support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.